Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change call background in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First, learn what is call background. See here. While receiving a call, some background will be appeared in your phone. See here, this is the call I receive, and in the background it's like a green blue combination of the background. Okay, so if you want to change this background, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to call button here and go to three vertical dots here, click on settings here and go to call background. So this was the call background before. Okay, if you want to change it, click on background here and you can select any other background. Now I select this one and click on set as call background, and now see how it appears. I make a call from another number and see that call background is changed. So in this way you can easily change call background of your choice in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.